Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over the best 20 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy A12. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Surge Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So just like I mentioned on the video, today we're going to be going over the best 20 tips and tricks for your Samsung A12 in case you just got it brand new and you don't know what to do with it. I'm going to be showing you the best tricks. So let's begin with number 1. So the first one is going to be how to rotate to landscape mode. Maybe you have your phone and you want to use the display sideways, and in order to do this you're going to have two methods. The first one is going to be long pressing on the home screen, go into your home screen settings, and once there you're going to swipe all the way down and select rotate to landscape mode. Now when you activate this, whenever you are on your home screen and you turn your phone like this, it's going to go to landscape mode. And you can also use the second method, which is going to be through the quick settings. You just swipe down twice and you're going to see right here auto rotate. So you're going to select that or deselect that depending if you want it to be on portrait or landscape mode. And next up we're going to have how to customize your home screen layout. So basically in order to customize your whole home screen layout, you're going to have to long press right here once again, go to home screen settings, and these three first options are going to be for your home screen layout. The first one is going to help you to keep things organized by arranging your widgets and favorite apps on the home screen, and also all your apps are going to be shown on the app screen. So you can select if you want home and app screens or only home screen. Next up you can go to home screen, which is going to be right here. This is going to change the size of the grid. So if you want it 4x6, it's going to make it bigger and bigger and bigger. If you want it smaller you can also do that, and same thing is going to happen with the app screen grid. And now as a third trick is going to be right here in the home screen settings menu. You're going to go down and you're going to see hide app. So this phone can really help you hide apps in case you don't want it to show whenever you give your phone to someone, and you just go on that option that I just went into and select different apps that you want to hide. You select done, and now as you can tell the apps are going to be nowhere to be found. And in order to unhide your apps you have to long press again, do the same process, go and hide apps, and here you just take them out. But now I'm going to show you how to look for them once you got them hidden, and all you have to do is go to your apps menu and type here whatever app that you hid. For example, we hid contacts in Chrome, so let me just look for that. It's nowhere to be found right here, so I'm just go up here and I go Chrome, and as you can tell the app is going to show up right there. And now I'm going to show you how to get the famous widgets, and in order to do this, once again long press, but this time you're not going to go to the menu. If you look down right here you're going to see widgets. So once you select that you're going to see a bunch of options to choose from, as you can do calendar, Chrome, clock, contacts, notes, and a bunch of others. You have 4 pages to look for. Then once you're ready to select, you just go that, you touch and hold, and it's going to drag it to your main screen. So you can then customize it and leave it on your home screen. And if you also wish to have these widgets on your lock screen, you can just go to your settings, and once you're in settings you're going to go to lock screen. You're going to see the face widgets and you're going to go there and activate either music, today's schedule, next alarm, and weather. I'm going to do all of them for the purpose of the video, and then I'm going to block my phone, and right here on top you can just swipe to the sides and that's going to show you the face widgets. For example, I don't have any weather information or alarms or new events, but in case I had them they would pop up right here. And right here on lock screen you can also customize your clock style by just going on clock style. You can choose from a lot of options as well. You have, for example, this one, which is really cool, and you can even change the color or auto adapt to the color of the backgrounds. So I'm just going to select that option, I'm going to press done, and now I'm going to lock it and unlock it. Once I did that, as you can tell our clock has changed and the colors are also in combination with the background. And if you go a little bit down further you can also see contact information, and this is going to basically show information such as your phone number, email address on your lock screen in case you lose your phone and you want someone to return it. You can just enter your contact information. But now if you also want to use it for like motivational quotes, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to put live like there is no tomorrow, and once you're ready press done. Let's lock the phone and it's going to show up right here. And you can also take a screenshot on this phone by just pressing volume down and the block button at the same time. As you can tell, that just took a screenshot. And now if you're tired of the white background and all of that, you can also turn your phone into dark mode. So we're just going to go to our settings and then we're going to head to display, and it's going to be right here. The dark mode is going to change everything to a nice blue and dark combination, as you can tell. So that's what we're going to be using from now on. And also, if you want to look at the battery percentage without having to swipe down right here, you can also fix that by going to your settings. You're going to go to notifications, and right here on status bar we're going to select it, and right here we're going to activate show battery percentage. So we just do that, activate or deactivate, and now it's going to show up right here. And if you think your phone is getting a little bit slow and you want to speed it up, maybe you have a virus or something else, you can also provide your phone an optimization. And in order to do this, you go to your settings menu, you go all the way down to device care, and right here it's going to show battery, storage, memory, security, and ultra data saving. Right now my phone is not going to let me perform an optimization because I'm 100% good, but if you happen to be in a number less than that, you can always perform it by just going optimize now. And if you want to customize the navigation bar of your phone, which is going to be right here at the bottom, you can also do that by just going to your settings. Once in settings, you're going to go to display and then navigation bar. Once you're here in navigation bar, you're going to select swipe gestures, and it's going to give you a full screen size, as you can tell now. You're just going to have to use different gestures in order to use the phone, but it's going to be really simple. And if you want to use two apps at the same time, you can also use the multitask by just going up on this 3-bar menu right here. Select the icon of the app you're going to use at the same time and select split screen view. And now you're going to select the second app, which for me it's going to be this one, for example, and now you're going to be able to look at two different apps at the same time and you'll be able to use them as well. And if you have a meeting coming up soon, or maybe you're trying to study for a test and you want to focus without getting distracted by your phone, by going to your quick settings, you can definitely activate the focus mode, which is going to help you to block everything on your phone for a couple minutes in order to help you avoid distraction from your phone and keep your life in focus. And you're going to have this little menu right here, which means that all apps will be blocked in focus mode except for the apps that you choose to allow. And next up, if you want to look at the digital well-being of your phone, you can also do that on your settings. You're going to go to digital well-being right here at the bottom, and this is going to show you how much time you spend on your phone, the average you've used in the screen, the app timers. You can also go down to focus mode and customize it. You can do a bunch of things right here in this section that can help you know everything that you do on your phone in order to regulate it. And you can also customize the side key, since when the side key is double pressed, it's going to open up what different app. You can also customize what app it's going to open, and you can do this by just going to your settings, and once in settings we're going to go to advanced features, and here on top we're going to find side key. You can select it to open the launch camera, or you can select open a different app that you want, for example the clock, contacts, maybe your Facebook, you can decide. And if you go right here in the advanced features menu and then motion gestures, you're going to see double tap to wake. Double tap to wake is going to be really useful since you don't have to use your plug button in order to wake your phone. You just have to double tap it and that's going to work. So you want to have that activated and lift to wake as well in case you want to do that. So you don't even have to double tap it, you only have to do this and that's going to wake up your phone. And you can also activate the flash notifications by going to your settings, then in accessibility, and right here we're going to find advanced settings. Once in there, you're going to see flash notification and you're going to turn this on. This is just going to turn on your flash every time you get a notification, and I'm going to show you how it looks right now, as you could tell. And now last but not least, it's going to be the screen reader, and in order to activate it you have to go to your settings and then you're going to go to accessibility and then screen reader. This is going to make you get spoken audio to everything that you touch, so you just have to activate it and now everything on the screen will be written. Here it's going to tell you that here you're going to allow voice assistant to have full control over your phone, so you just press allow and continue the steps to activate it. Okay everyone, so that was it on the best 20 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy A12. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below on which one was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and as always I will see you in the next video.